Sup guys, welcome back to the vlog. काफ़ी दिनों बाद vlog कर रहा हूँ. Leaving aside Ole Gunnar Solskjaer.
Yeah.
How good was yesterday?
Oh, second half. First half was terrible. I was so upset. But second half, the way they played, fuck.
Bro, एक टाइम पे रोना आ गया था when Ronaldo scored the third goal. Like, it's become a template for these guys.
Yeah.
Huggeंगे first half.
हाँ वो पहले गोल कंसीड किए बिना नहीं होता है इनसे कुछ
नहीं. But Leicester game was completely different.
Yeah.
उसके बाद बहुत गंदी बीटी हुई थी. I'm not going to watch a single game after this. 2-0 पे I'm like fuck it, I'll switch it off अभी ये वाले गेम पे. But I don't know, I felt something कि आज comeback करेंगे.
Yeah, it's always when people are talking about how OGS must be sacked.
Yeah.
Somehow they start playing shit and then somehow they pull out some brilliance and they win and then Ole is back. He's like, oh, I'm the best manager in the world. And all the fans are like very happy.
So yesterday there was this post I saw. Whenever OGS का performance or his place is under scrutiny, then they put नीचे Barca 2008 वाला team. They play like prime Barca in this period.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
And going back and क्या बोलते हैं पढ़ाई
भाई
इसके तो लग गया है. This is
Too
week
much work.
5.
Week 5 and too much work.
Yeah.
Managing academics, Oxford Brookes racing and everything else is hectic.
Okay.
For all motorsports motorsports applicants, make sure you manage your time well.
Yeah.
This is the most important thing.
I guess it's generally for everyone. Make sure you manage your time because that's one thing I'm lacking a bit and I need to pull up my socks.
Initially, the first couple of weeks settling in and all takes a lot of time.
Yeah.
Like, make sure you're prepared for that. That's something that nobody told me and I've struggled a lot with. But yeah.
I guess start
It's-
pulling up your socks from week 4, week 5.
Week 3, week 4, week 5.
Week
5,
1, week 2, not everybody will be like in the same grind of studying it from day 1 or doing their assignments from day 1 because we're still figuring out कि क्या कैसा है.
आसपास घूमने को इतनी सारी जगह
हाँ.
है वो सब week 1, week 2 में mostly try to cover all of that.
Yeah.
For motorsports engineering, week 5 is a off week, as in you don't have lectures.
हाँ.
So that is a very good time for you to cover up everything.
Yeah.
It gets a little overwhelming, but if you manage your time and if you keep up with everything, then it's very doable. It's quite easy, and they teach really well. It is something compared to my experience with engineering in India, it's significantly better. Anyone who wants to contact me, I've put in my details on several of his vlogs.
No, I'll put it in below this.
Okay,
vlog.
cool. Put it below this and contact me. Ask me whatever questions you have,
Yeah.
and I'll as soon as I can respond and whatever much I know, I'll try to help you guys.
Yep. And sorry, lost track of my thought. I guess that's it. अभी देखते हैं कैसा जाएगा. कल there is university celebrating Black History Month. So tomorrow we have they are screening basically Soul movie. मैंने देख रखी है already. मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. It's one of my favorite films. So I've gathered few friends and we're going to watch that movie tomorrow. So let's see. Let's meet you guys tomorrow or whatever, whenever.
Later that same evening.
What's up, guys? Addison and I are heading down to watch James Bond, No Time to Die. The very last minute plan. Or Time to Die.
It depends if we reach for the movie because
So if you don't get it here, we can get it at Westgate, na?
Yeah, but the price there is a
Yeah, it's what, 13 pounds for a
13
ticket.
pounds for a ticket.
Jeez.
It's 6 pounds over here.
Yeah, so let's see
If you want to
we
be
can get it.
adventurous, then we can spend 13 pounds for a ticket.
Whenever it comes out on any platform, we'll just see the first 5
Yeah.
minutes.
One of your dear die-hard fans can just text
Yeah,
what happens.
just if you have seen the movie and if you have missed, we'll let you know. Then you can tell us what happens in the comment. Or I'll just ask my flatmates because they saw the movie.
Oh, that
Ella saw the movie, she said.
good reviews of the movie.
Good reviews, apparently.
Yes.
Not really.
No, the end is not great.
Ah.
It's very anticlimactic,
Uh-huh.
but the movie is great.
Okay. And today's Thursday night, so the city center is not as busy as it is used to be. Like we are used to seeing it on,
But it's
say, a weekend night.
always closes at 11,
Yeah.
so that's the only issue with it.
Tickets, fast tickets.
What do you want to go for?
We'll go for no time.
It's tomorrow. The
Ayyo.
movie's over. Okay, what else do you want to go for?
Boss Baby tomorrow.
Nah, that's kiddish.
Dune.
You want to go for Dune?
It started. Venom.
Well, there
But
is
then
one-
we'll just watch it with Shravan, no?
So, what?
So do you want to come back some other day and watch?
We can watch Dune. No,
It
Dune
was-
is
Yeah, it started.
Halloween.
It's at 9:15.
So sad, man. This is.
We'll just come back on some other day.
Okay. What do we get? Please. Something that we've not been through.
Okay guys, थोड़ा कट चुका है.
बहुत कट चुका है.
So the movie is not showing. It was for 8 o'clock, so they have stopped taking registration. I mean, we can't book the ticket basically. And we thought of going for Venom because apparently it's a very nice movie. और Venom Shraman को भी देखना है. So we'll just wait for Shraman and we'll go with him. Now we'll just find some place to eat a little bit and drink.
Yeah.
Eat mainly for him because he's not had anything. We just had one drink. We had a what, like martini? But no, not martini.
It was tequila sunrise
Tequila sunrise. Basically tequila, 30 ml, 40 ml.
with orange juice, basically.
Yeah, it was nice actually. I didn't mind it. Now we are going to crash Shrishti's workplace, which is right here. And we've told her that we are not coming, but we are. So she's going to be really surprised.
Calling it a surprise,
Yeah.
but I'm sure it's not a surprise. She'll be really unhappy.
She wouldn't expect us so early. Right?
She wouldn't expect it at all. Well, I think she did.
She's like. Seems like a nice place. There she is. Hello.
Hey there.
What's up?
Seriously?
Well, we just thought we would just come and surprise you.
I seriously thought you won't come.
Yeah, I know that. The reason we
Surprise,
decided-
surprise.
Yeah, it's a big surprise anyway. I asked him to come at 11. I'll join you guys at back.
Now take our order, please.
Scan the code.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's not good service.
Okay, what is recommended here?
I have just tried like
Food.
food.
He's not had anything and he's had one drink.
I have only tried the fries, nachos, and the burger.
Okay.
Burger, it was veg, so you won't like it anyway.
Okay. And drinks, mein what you'll suggest?
Drinks mein, I had the Red Devil, which I didn't like,
Okay.
and there's a sling, so it was nice.
Any offers and discounts going on?
I have the.
You have?
Yeah, I have the
Perfect.
staff discount.
Okay.
And just, so,
Yeah.
Tell me what you guys want. I'll
Haan.
place the order.
Haan.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah.
So kind of you.
To like press it whenever it goes off.
That one?
Yeah.
Oh.
So I thought you are just asking.
No, it.
Whenever it goes off, you just press it.
Okay.
It's not like.
Thank you for the drinks. Oh, nice. Looks nice. Thank you so much.
Ketchup or something.
Do you have anything except ketchup?
Ketchup, mayonnaise,
Mustard.
mustard.
Bring mustard.
Mustard and mayonnaise. What are these?
Sweet potato fries.
What are these?
Potato fries.
You ordered both?
I ordered this for me.
And this?
This comes with your
Oh.
burger.
Now you can't order food. It's 9:30.
Okay. Reviewing food. This is what? Chicken?
Goa John's or something like
Whatever.
that. Something.
Is it
Chicken
boneless?
G.
Chicken G.
Yeah, I think it is.
My G. I'll try it out. No problem. That is better with mustard.
They do?
Yeah.
These are basically chicken fingers.
Yeah.
I never liked mustard sauce.
Not with ham.
No.
I love it with ham.
There are different types of mustard sauces. There's
This
the-
is Dijon.
Oh.
I'm guessing this is Dijon.
No, there is the English mustard.
Yeah, which is
Then
Dijon,
there is the
right?
American one also, which is slightly different.
It goes well on hot dogs apparently, right?
It tastes better.
Yeah.
Generally tastes better.
Yeah.
Oh, let's see. Normally ketchup would be good with this, but... Oh, this is good.
Yeah.
This is good.
Let me try. Sweet potato fries. Mustard sauce. Sweet. So sweet potato is a very good carb option. Should try.
I like sweet potatoes.
You should try putting it in our diet.
It's difficult to put sweet potatoes in your diet.
No,
You can just boil them and eat
just
them.
boil, eat it with chaat masala. So back in Delhi, like when I used to stay in Delhi for 3 years, in Noida Sector 18, we used to get, there used to be like Thela's street vendors, and they'd have these sweet potatoes in the small bowl. They'd cut them up and they'd put chaat masala on top of that. It's very good.
They do the same with corn.
Yeah, they put the masala on the corn, right? Yeah.
And then they roast it.
Yeah.
That's nice.
So we'll wait for Addison to give you the burger review. Otherwise the service and all has been really nice here. We're not just saying because our friend works here, but otherwise also it's a good place. It's a good place to hang out.
शैतान का नाम लिया, शैतान हाजिर हो गया.
What are you drinking? Just Coke?
Ah.
How's it? Honest review. It's not like she made it.
It's dry. The bread is really dry. It's not moist.
Okay.
So it's crunchy. Yeah.
The chicken,
Chicken is good. It's good.
it's tasty.
It's tasty, but overall it's okay.
It's okay.
The one I tried it was also just okay. Really nice.
It seems like a simple burger. Nothing much.
Nothing much.
Anyway.
Thanks for the hospitality.
And the 50% off.
If you have friends working in a restaurant, they'll give you 50% off. चल ले लिया. I thought that was. So CBD is very legal here in the UK. CBD में कुछ psychoactive substance नहीं होता. Psychoactive substance in the sense it doesn't make you high, but it will get you to lose anxiety and it will make you feel less stressed. Basically, it will make you put asleep better. So CBD is legal here. So if you, there are some shops that you get. I visited the other day, last weekend. CBD cigarettes, like basically joints. तो ये CBD joints यहाँ पे illegally आप smoke कर सकते हो. It's a informative thing that I thought of sharing क्योंकि मुझे ये चीज़ पे research करने के लिए अच्छा लगता है. So I thought of sharing this and hope you guys don't mind me sharing this sort of information. Okay, anyways, now we are probably walking back home and we'll see you later. Thank you for watching the vlog. Peace out.